to Beauty Tuesday. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I wash and maintain my curly wigs and how I keep my curls popping. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Okay, beautifuls, let's jump right into it. So this is the shampoo and conditioner I love to use to clean all of my wigs with. I'm going to be working on my curly wig. I purchased this wig from Amazon. Everything will be listed in the description bar down below. So I'm gonna start off by running some lukewarm kind of cool water. I'm gonna add that shampoo and conditioner. I like to have this solution diluted before I dip my wigs in there. As you know, shampoo can be stripping for your natural hair, so I just like to create this solution and I dip my wigs. Now you see I did not saturate my wig with shampoo. I'm just going to dip it a couple of times, let it soak, dip it again, and I do this as many times as I need to until the wig is completely clean. And now I'm going to show you how I clean the lace. I don't use any special shampoo or anything to remove glue or clean the lace. I use that regular shampoo that I'm using in here to clean the wig. I massage the shampoo into the lace a little bit. I let it sit there for a little bit, and then I like to take my fingernail and scratch the lace. As you can see right here, I just use my fingernail to scratch up the not the lace. I use my fingernail to scratch up the glue, and then it clumps together, and then I just pull it off. I do this as many times as I need to as well. It's a little bit time consuming, but sis, it works. Just be careful because you don't want to snag your nail on your lace and ruin your lace. And voila. Okay, so I'm taking the conditioner. You want to go ham. I'm going ham with this conditioner. You want to lather this conditioner on there, okay? This conditioner by far is the best conditioner for curly wigs. I'm telling you, it is the truth. If you haven't tried it, you need to cop the conditioner, sis. It's going to be down in the description bar. Now, I'm going to take my tangle teaser and go through the hair and detangle. You want to have a tangle teaser. Okay, so now that I detangled it, I went in ahead and created my part and styled the wig the way I want it to lay when I wear it. You're gonna let this conditioner sit. Now you can let it sit for however long you want, but the key to having popping curls is letting this conditioner sit on the hair for a little while. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed the conditioner out of the hair. I rinsed the hair in cool water. This is key for popping curls. You want to rinse in cool water, okay? And you're gonna see how popping the curls are. As you can see right here, the curls are popping. They are clumped together. But I am going to take the tangle teaser and go through the curls because I do not want the hair to dry down and the curls to be clumped like that. I kind of want it to be full, so I'm just going through with the tangle teaser to go through those curls so they won't be all clumped together like that. And then you're going to let your wig sit and dry overnight. Okay, beautifuls, it is the next day. Let's get into these curls, okay? Y'all can't tell me that these curls aren't popping, all right? And this is the wig's just curly, natural curly pattern on the wig. I'm telling you, when you do that conditioner mask and you let that conditioner sit, hunty, these curls are going to be popping on your wig. I mean, I'm like popping on your wig. Okay, that was kind of corny, but your curls are gonna be popping. And I haven't even added any more conditioner or anything to the wig yet, so I'm going to step it up a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna add some more conditioner. We're gonna spritz the hair a little bit with some water. Now I do add peppermint oil to my spray bottle for our natural hair, and I'm just gonna use that. I just didn't want to leave that out. I want to tell you everything that I do. So I'm going to come back once I have the wig on my daughter's head. Okay, you guys, look at my baby. She's so beautiful. Shout out to my lovely, beautiful daughter for being my model. So I'm going to be taking that spray bottle that has the peppermint oil and spritzing and misting the hair, and then I'm going to take that conditioner and just go through the curls. I'm not going to be speaking too much in this clip. I'm just going to let you watch and see what I do. And I do spray the hair with this like papaya spray that I use. I'm just trying to make sure that I mention everything that I did to make these curls pop. So I'm just going to let you watch, and everything will be listed down in the description bar. Okay, beautifuls, we are done. Our curls on our wigs are popping. I hope you guys enjoyed this Beauty Tuesday video. If you did, please give this video a big like. Let's try to get this video to 50 likes. I thank you for watching and tuning in to another Beauty Tuesdays. I hope you try these techniques. I love you. Bye-bye.